How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app Microsoft Authenticator. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down. Head towards the option of General. Open this option iPhone Storage. Now from here you have to find the app Microsoft Authenticator. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, apply solution 3. You have to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app Microsoft Authenticator, click on the option of Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Once you delete this app from your device, now launch your App Store, search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.